Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Bar 5.1 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this soundbar not connecting to your network or not pairing or syncing with your phone or TV or anything like that, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is for any variety of reasons where you want to just delete all the connection history, clear all the pairing history and everything like that off of it so that you can set this up basically like it's a new soundbar coming out of the box for the first time. We can go ahead and do that pretty easily. We just need to first of all make sure that that it's on, so we'll hit the power button to turn it on if it's not on, and then we're just going to simultaneously press the source button, the volume up button, and the volume down button, these three buttons here, simultaneously, and just keep an eye on this screen. And when this screen shows reset, then you can let go of the buttons. The soundbar will reboot and into its factory default state, and at that point you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new soundbar.